How to mass delete emails on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to mass delete the emails on Gmail, what you can simply do is first of all launch the Gmail application on a device and make sure you have logged into your account. Also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, simply tap on the search bar and search for any of the email that you'd want to delete. Here, make a long press on one of the email and then tap on the select all option. As you do that, tap on the delete icon at the top right corner and then tap on OK. And here you have mass deleted the emails on Gmail. You can do the same for the inbox, all inbox as well. And then tap on delete. And there you go. So the process can continue until you want to delete it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.